Hey, this is Sarah from Jotform. In this video, I'll show you how to let users reschedule or cancel their appointments directly from their confirmation email. Start in the Form Builder. Then click Settings in the orange navigation bar at the top. From the left menu, click Emails. Hover over your email autoresponder, then click the pencil icon to edit it. In the Email tab, go to the Email Content Editor. Click Form Fields in the top right corner of the editor. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Link. Move the Edit Submission link wherever you'd like inside the email content. Click Save at the bottom of the page. That's it! Your autoresponder now includes an Edit Submission link for users. Here's how it works from the user's side. In the confirmation email they receive, users click the Edit Submission link. A new browser tab opens with the editable appointment form. To reschedule, they select a new date or time slot and click Submit. To cancel the appointment, they click the Cancel Appointment button and then submit the form. Any changes made are instantly reflected in your appointment calendar. If your calendar is synced with Google Calendar, Outlook, or Calendly, it updates automatically. This ensures your availability stays accurate and prevents booking conflicts. And that's it! Your users can now manage their appointments independently while your schedule stays perfectly in sync. Thanks for watching! Explore more Jotform appointment features and we'll see you in the next video.